Before power lines crossed continents. Before homes glowed with electric light. Before computers, smartphones, and digital networks transformed daily life. There was darkness, then came electricity, one of the most powerful discoveries in human history. A force capable of illuminating cities, driving industries, powering communication, transforming civilization itself. Yet electricity brought a paradox. The same force that improved human life could also end it in an instant. Unlike many dangers, electricity is often invisible. You cannot always see it. You cannot always hear it. You may not even realize it is present until contact occurs. And by then, the consequences can be severe or fatal. As electrical systems expanded across the world, humanity faced a new challenge. How do you work safely around a force you cannot see? Among the answers developed by engineers and safety experts was a deceptively simple invention. Electrical safety gloves. At first glance, they appear ordinary. Flexible material, simple construction, basic design. Nothing about them suggests extraordinary importance. Yet these gloves represent decades of engineering knowledge, scientific understanding, and safety innovation. They are not merely gloves. They are protective systems. Their purpose is straightforward: prevent electrical current from traveling through the human body. To appreciate why this matters, we must first understand electricity itself. Electricity follows paths. Current moves through conductive materials. Metal conducts electricity efficiently. Water can conduct electricity. The human body conducts electricity as well. This reality creates danger. When a person becomes part of an electrical circuit, current can pass through tissues and organs. Muscles may contract involuntarily. Burns may occur. The heart may stop functioning normally. Even relatively brief exposure can be catastrophic. Electrical safety gloves exist to interrupt this pathway. They create insulation, a barrier between worker and hazard. A separation between life and potentially lethal energy. The concept appears simple, the execution is not. Psychology plays an important role in electrical safety. Humans naturally respond more strongly to visible threats. Fire captures attention. Moving vehicles capture attention. Falling objects capture attention. Electricity often does not. Because it cannot always be observed directly, people sometimes underestimate its danger. This phenomenon contributes to accidents. Safety equipment compensates for human limitations. Electrical safety gloves serve as a constant reminder that invisible risks remain present. Their very existence reinforces caution. The history of electrical protection developed alongside electrical technology itself. During the 19th century, electrical systems expanded rapidly. Factories adopted electric power. Cities installed lighting networks. Communication systems evolved. The benefits were enormous. So were the hazards. Workers encountered voltages never previously experienced on such scales. Injuries increased. Fatalities occurred. Safety became an engineering necessity. Early protective methods were often inconsistent. Materials varied. Testing standards were limited. Knowledge remained incomplete. Over time, engineers gained a deeper understanding of electrical behavior. Protective equipment improved accordingly. Rubber emerged as a crucial material. Its insulating properties made it exceptionally valuable. Unlike conductive substances, rubber resists electrical current. Properly manufactured rubber gloves could significantly reduce risk. This breakthrough changed workplace safety. The engineering behind electrical safety gloves is more sophisticated than many people realize. Every glove must meet strict performance requirements. Thickness matters. Material composition matters. Manufacturing quality matters. Even tiny imperfections can compromise protection. As a result, production standards are rigorous. Inspection processes are extensive. Reliability is essential. Testing represents one of the most important aspects of glove safety. Protective equipment cannot rely on assumptions. Performance must be verified. Electrical safety gloves undergo specialized testing procedures designed to ensure insulation remains effective. Voltage levels are applied under controlled conditions. Materials are evaluated carefully. Only equipment meeting strict criteria enters service. This commitment to testing reflects a broader principle. In high-risk environments, confidence must be earned through evidence, not hope. Not assumptions. Evidence. The classification of electrical gloves further illustrates their sophistication. Different tasks involve different voltage levels. Different voltage levels require different protection. Gloves are therefore categorized according to their capabilities. Workers select equipment appropriate to specific hazards. The system ensures protection aligns with risk. This structured approach has become a cornerstone of modern electrical safety. Utility workers provide one of the most visible examples of glove use. Maintaining electrical infrastructure often requires proximity to energized systems. Power distribution networks operate continuously. Repairs cannot always wait for complete shutdowns. Workers therefore rely upon specialized protective equipment. Electrical safety gloves become essential tools. Without them, many tasks would be significantly more dangerous. Industrial facilities depend upon them as well. Factories contain complex electrical systems. Maintenance personnel interact with equipment regularly. Unexpected exposure remains possible. Protective gloves reduce vulnerability. They transform potentially hazardous work into manageable procedures. The impact extends far beyond individual workers. Entire organizations benefit from improved safety. Modern materials continue advancing glove technology. Manufacturers now employ sophisticated compounds designed to improve flexibility, durability, and reliability. Comfort matters. Workers must wear equipment consistently. Protective gear that restricts movement excessively may reduce effectiveness indirectly. Engineering therefore balances protection with usability. The best safety equipment protects without interfering unnecessarily. Environmental factors create additional challenges. Heat, cold, moisture, physical wear, chemical exposure. Electrical safety gloves must perform under diverse conditions. Their design reflects these demands. Every detail exists for a reason. Every improvement addresses a specific problem. The future promises further innovation. Advanced materials research continues. New manufacturing techniques emerge. Improved testing technologies enhance quality assurance. The fundamental goal remains unchanged. Protect human life. This objective drives ongoing development. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of electrical safety gloves is their invisibility when they succeed. News headlines rarely celebrate accidents that never happened. Workers rarely notice dangers that were prevented. Protective equipment often receives little attention precisely because it works. Its success appears as absence. No injury, no shock, no tragedy. This quiet effectiveness represents one of engineering's greatest achievements, preventing harm before it occurs. And beneath the rubber, beneath the testing laboratories, beneath the power stations, utility networks, industrial facilities, and countless electrical systems that power modern civilization, electrical safety gloves tell a larger story. A story about responsibility, about foresight, about humanity's determination to control the risks created by its own inventions. Because throughout history, every technological advance has introduced new challenges. The question is never whether danger exists. The question is how intelligently we respond to it. Electrical safety gloves became one answer. A barrier between energy and vulnerability. A tool of protection. A triumph of practical engineering. And one of the most important safety innovations in the history of electricity.